Good morning.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a mini Target haul. I picked up a few items while I did the pickup. Drive your car through and stuff. I didn't actually go in the store because sometimes I spend too much time in there and spend unnecessary money. So here goes. It's just a mini haul of random things. All these things not even in the same category. So I'm not going to necessarily say body care haul. Alright, so the first thing I got is the Method fragrance booster. I typically like the one that's blue. It's in like a blue. I can't think of the name of the scent, but this is the ginger mango. I prefer the blue one, but I went ahead and got this one anyway. To me, it don't necessarily smell like ginger mango, but it doesn't have a bad smell or anything. I mean, the thing about this stuff, once I actually use it on my clothes, it smells so good. My clothes be smelling good for a long time. But to me, it doesn't give ginger mango, and I have to use a lot of Method stuff because I have sensitive skin, and this brand just works really good for me. I get the detergent, and I just love all their stuff. I get their detergent, their granite countertop cleanser, and hand soaps, just all types of stuff. Method is a very good brand to shop and get stuff, get stuff from Method. Highly recommend. The next thing I got is by Method too. This is the gel hand wash because I need to refill my aluminum hand wash thing that I keep in my bathroom. It matches my bathroom when I need to clean it off because it got stuff on it. But I love having this in my bathroom because it matches and it's, environmentally friendly. Reusable containers. I love when they did this because it just goes so perfectly with my bathroom. And the scent that I have this in is called Sweet Water. This is my first time buying this particular scent. The last scent I had was the Violet Lavender. So I'm going to open this up and smell this now. That's one thing about getting stuff pick up and not going in stores. You don't get to smell stuff. That's why sometimes I typically stick to what I know. But I'm going to try this out. It has just a regular soapy smell. Like, it smells good though. It has like a fresh scent, like a fresh cotton, fresh wash clothes type scent. That's what I compare it to. I like it though. I actually like it. I'm so glad I picked this particular scent. Like, it smells like it's supposed to be something you wash your hands with and get clean and stuff like that. So yay. Some more lotion to wear to like bed and stuff. And this is the Nivea Cocoa Butter. It keeps me very moisturized at night and stuff like that. Even though I have something else that I'm currently using, but once I run out, I'm probably going to go back to this. Or, I might go get some more of that so I can have options when I'm going to bed. I don't have to use the same thing every night. So, there's that. Oh, and this was on sale. I actually got this on sale. What else I got on sale? Some more items I have on sale, but yeah, this was actually on sale when I got it. Great little pickup, keeps you moisturized. Whoop-de-whoop lotion. So this is more of my hygiene type stuff. This is just I already used some of my floss picks. I always get the Up and Up brand floss picks. Sometimes I either get the green brand, but if I just don't want to spend like a lot of money or whatever, just spend a little bit of sometimes, I get the Up and Up pack. And this is the value pack. It has 160 count in it. Can't remember how much I paid for it, but yeah, I got this. Easy pick. Let's go into some feminine hygiene. This is the feminine wash that I use. It is made by Elle. This is the foam wash, and it's the daily care. They have a period care one as well, but I use this all the time. I absolutely love it, and it has vitamin E in it, and it's designed for people like me with sensitive skin. I love that. And I'm gonna open it so you can see the bottle if you've never seen it. But I've been using this for some years now, actually. Yep, this is it. Actually, you know what? Now that I see the bottle in the camera, I actually like it more than I thought. It looks fun. Yeah. But yeah, this is my favorite feminine wash. Highly recommend. Definitely get it. They have the wipes too, but for some reason, I'm not a huge fan of their wipes. Can't remember the particular reason why I wasn't a huge fan, but I don't fool with the wipes like that. Wipes I do fool with are made by these lovely people called Good Wipes, and these are the Down There wipes, and they're in this scent rose water. They are hyperallergenic. They say they flush, but I won't flush them, and they help balance pH. It's made with purified water. And what I like about these is because even though it has a scent, I can tell it's a real faint scent. It's not very cologne like, and it doesn't throw my pH balance off. So I use these for a quick little whatever, like in the morning. And I also sometimes get the ones in the individual packs if I want to. I used to get wipes in individual packs to take with me somewhere. But yeah, if I'm at home and it's the morning time, or I'm finna go somewhere, run an errand, just, girl, to get yourself together. This is the Down There wipes made by Good Wipe, and there are 20 in this pack. So yeah, if you use these, let me know what you think, or whatever feminine care wipes and feminine care cleanser you use. Let me know, give me some suggestions, and just let me know what you use. Skincare. So of course, this is the hydrating milking toner. Y'all know this is tried and true. Like, I use it all the time, and it was time for a new bottle because look at this. It's been hanging on for some weeks now. It's time, so I went on ahead and got me a new bottle because it was needed. So yeah, this is my favorite Dr. Bronner's scent. This is the hemp lavender. And to think, like, some years ago I used to stand the smell of lavender, but now I love it. I love getting the bar soap. I get the liquid as well, but I didn't get the liquid this time. I just got the bar soap because I usually use this as a base wash. Do this first and then go in with my scented body washes and stuff like that. But this cleans your skin so good, and I even use it on my face sometimes. If I had, like, I just use this on my face if I had a rough day and my skin looking like it's just overly oily, or even tonight I'm gonna use it because I gotta take this makeup off. But it's actually in the morning. It's like 1:02 right now. But yeah, I'm gonna use this. It comes in really handy, cleans really well, smells amazing. Can't go wrong with this. You just can't. And the bar usually lasts me pretty well, so yay. All right, next. So it's been a while since I bought anything native, any of the native products. So I saw these on the Target app. I don't know if they for fall or what, maybe they are. I don't know, but I was happy to see them. So next time I go to Target, I'm gonna see did they drop fall scents or anything. I don't know what they got going on, but the native was on sale at Target for buy one get the other one for 25% off. That's why I went on ahead and got it, because y'all know native. Yeah. So, and I got two of them. The first one I have is the Honey Seguro. I love the packaging of native because I just like simple packaging. I just love the simplicity. It smells good, but it smells like something I've smelled before. See, I wish they had someone here to tell me what the Seguro is. But I'm not smelling the honey. It smells like a floral. It smells very floral. I'm not getting the honey, though. You know what? It smells like floral, tropical, like a pineapple. Definitely some type of flower. You know what? Give me a second. I'm about to look up what this is, because, yeah. I looked it up. These are limited edition scents. They have two more, like a violet rose and like a sage something. I'm going to have to go back and look. But, you know what? I might go get them tomorrow and do a full video on them. Yeah, because then I'll have enough body wash for the last me a while. But this Honey Seguro, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Seguro is pretty much a cactus. So this has citrus, honey with a hint of peach. Now I smell the citrus and the peach, but I'm just not getting the honey. But overall, it smells good. Yeah, still not getting the honey, but it smells really good, and I'm definitely gonna go pick up those other two probably tomorrow, especially if it's still on sale. All right. So the next one I have is the Desert Grass and Sandalwood. Ooh, now this is a me type of scent. I love stuff that smells very green and kind of woody, you know? Oh my goodness. This is going to be my... Y'all, I love the smell of this. It smells like... I don't know. It smells like apple. It smells appley almost, but I know it's not. It's more like a pear. And online it does say it has pear, sandalwood. Because this is the Desert Grass and Sandalwood. But yeah, they said it smells like pear and sandalwood. I'm definitely getting a pear in this. Let me see. Do I get some sandalwood? Because I actually like sandalwood. If you smell close enough, you do smell the sandalwood a little bit. I can tell they try not to overpower it with sandalwood. But y'all, they did their thing with this. I'm definitely going to go back and get the other two and try them out and see how I like them. yeah. So that's everything that I got from Target. It was just a quick little mini haul. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, drop it down below. If you have any suggestions of things that you want to see me get from Target, any of your faves, just let me know. Drop them down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap the notification bell so you can know every time me, your girl, the Curl Maverick, uploads a new video. And I'ma holler at y'all later. Peace.